how long should a talking stage last before it turns into relationship?
Yeah, come look at this.
You're not supposed to last one day, not supposed to even last 1 hour. After baby girl, what's up? I dey be pull over my side, mo talk just I like you more day. Package you. That's it, just start like that. No, you gotta do your chat girl for 1 month, 2 months. What you do? What you do? First of all, see, I might go on the bro code. Once you catch girl,
Okay.
you like the girl. Chop on, once you chop on, say it's sweet. You go on. If you go to day, you go say uncle chop on, you go be like, which kind of food you do? Which kind of food this one? You call your regrets. Why the matter even thing? Not supposed to like you chop after you chop and then you go ahead, that kind of thing.
Okay, now just sharp, make everything just end like that.
Suppose sharp now. You want to this 2025. You want to do what you do that kind of 2017.
No.
You go stand for road. You wear your slippers with socks. Constant. Hello, fan girl. You get go look in up back. You call his commode. 2017 life now. This recent life.
Now sharp.
See the girl. Follow her to Alpha. Kind of class. Chop one, make sure you use all your formats. Use all your formats so you don't keep for how many years. Once you chop and finish, then you like it, get if you go. If you don't like her,